All right, today's the day I get my cellmate. I don't know anything much about him. Like I said, he's a British bloke. Maybe we'll get along. Like petty crimes. Maybe I can teach him something. He can teach me something. Maybe we can help each other live a better life. That's what the prison wants us to say. But who knows? Like, I've been kind of cooped up in this cell alone, and now I'm ready for a change. I need a place to belong. I'm gonna be in here for a while, and maybe good old inmate 65263 will perk me up.